Hello, everyone. This is Abraham Sharbain with Unlimited Prepay Distribution, Dual Communications, your H2O Wireless Master Agent. In this video, I would like to show you the reporting feature in the H2ODirectNow.com dealer portal. Powerful feature lets you see your activities and activations throughout any period of time that you wish to view. Let me share my screen with you. So first, as usual, log into H2O Direct Now Dealer Portal, and this is the main screen that you will see. On the menu on the left down here, there's one item called Reports. So click on that Reports. The screen that shows up here, you will see several tabs on here: Sales Reports, Transactions by Product, Invoices, SPIF Report, Autopay Reports, Subscribers, Autopay Transactions, second and third month refill report, and refill reminder. So this way you can actually view any of these. So let's start with the sales report, the very first one there. You can choose the period of time. Let's just go from February 1st to February 9th. That happens to be today. Down here in the drop down where it says type, by default an overview checkbox is checked. So let's, for example, check one that is refills, activations, port-ins. Let's just view a few of these things. You can check the rest of them if you wish, and click on search. Immediately the screen will display here. The top thing is an overview, like it said here. Grand total, the refills. This dealer here did 27 refills for a total of $1,110, and this dealer earned $699.40 in doing so. Activations, 10 activations, $410. The sale amount, and the earned amount was $205. No port-ins in that period of time. Nobody subscribed for Autopay. The residual is 14 transactions that he earned residuals on. For the sale total was $610, and he made $18.30 residual. Scroll down to see the refills. On the refills section, you will see, for example, the date the refill occurred, the phone number, the HDN order number. I mean, you don't really need that unless you want to talk to H2O about it, but here's the phone number, the username that did it. So if you have users in your business, you will see your user ID or their user IDs, the product value, the discount rate, 6%, and the net payable was what you owed was $28.20, and you made $1.80. You can look through all of these. If you have more, you can just page through the rest of the pages to see the rest of the refills. The activations, you will see what activations you've done from the period of February 1st to February 9th. So here's the date, February, I think it is backwards. Yeah, February 8th, the most recent, is on top. Here's the phone number, the SIM number, the Act Fast code, the value, what plan that you have activated. The discount was 6% when you did the activation, $28.20. The SPIF was $13 total, $13.20, and you earned $15. So this is great because it shows you that the $30 plan that you have activated earned you $15, which is the 50% commission that H2O pays. If you look down here, for example, here's a $50 plan. You earn $25, again, the 50% that you've done, and it tells you what phone number and what SIM card and what date. Port-ins, well, it seems like there were no port-ins at all during that period of time, but if there were any, they would also be listed there, including what you earned from that port-in. You should earn from the port-in the same amount of money that you would have earned from the activation. So this is the first tab for the reports. If you look at the transactions by product, like if you're interested in knowing how many $30 plans, how many $40 plans, all that stuff that you've done, here, let's check the activations and look at that. Here you go. For the refills, you have refilled 13 of the $50 plan during that period of time from February 1st to February 9th. 13 refills, and that's what you earned. From these 13 refills, 7 of the $40 plan. For this is how much that the net payable would cost you, but this is how much you made, and so on. So you look at it by plan. The activation is the same thing from February 1st to February 9th. there were 5 activations on the $50 plan, and you made $125 on that, or at least this dealer did that amount of earnings on these activations. 2 activations on a $40 plan made $40 because 50% of each, that's 20 made 40. When the customers come back to do, you will be earning more and more on these refills or on these activations. So this was by plan. Invoices, you can see your invoices. So in this period of time, well, let me see, February 1st to February 9th, there were a couple of invoices. Invoice 1, $535, then $623 for the second one. You can click on to view the invoice or download it even, which is a really good thing. SPIF report from February 1st to February 9th. You can look at your SPIF report. If there are multiple pages, you can scan through them, but you will see the date, the phone number, and the SPIF that was earned for that, and how many recharges that you've done. Is it multi-line? Is it 3 months, 2 months? All that stuff will also be listed here, and you will see the amount of money. Autopay subscribers, if you have any Autopay subscribers between that period of time, boom, there's none. Nobody signed up for Autopay, and therefore I do not really expect to see any Autopay transactions, since in that period of time there were no Autopay subscribers. Second and third month report. So you can look at the previous month, report on all the plans. Boom, here it is. So second refill. So the second refill date, if this customer did a refill, then it will show up here. If this customer did a second refill, this is what they're due. The rest of them are, they need to refill by this date, or else they may lose their number if they don't do the refills. So anyway, you can look at the second and third refill report per phone line that you have activated in January. Refill reminders, this is a very new report that H2O Wireless created to help you out. So you can see, if you click here, you will see which accounts or which phone numbers have their refill due today. And if you click here, which ones have their refill due tomorrow. And if you click here, you will see who is due in 3 days. The idea behind it is that if I see who is due, for example, tomorrow, there's no one is due tomorrow in this particular case, but you will have all the phone numbers that are due for refill tomorrow. You have the option of clicking on each one of those phone numbers. You can call that customer if you want, or send them a text message to remind them to come in and do refills. You can offer them incentives to come over and do that refill. And if they actually reply and they give you their credit card or whatever, you can click on that button and do the refill for them right away. So anyway, so this is just a way for you to, another way for you to try to keep more of these customers. Remember, the more customers you keep, the more residual you earn if they do the refills. Remember that 3% residual? That is another way to help you out, to bring your refill rate up so H2O is happy, to pay you that 3% so that you are happy. So with that, these are the reports. Please feel free to experiment. You're not going to break anything. Take a look at these reports. And if you have any questions, please reach out to us. Take care.